I only wanna be close to you.
Honey cranberry baked chicken. You're probably thinking, what, another recipe with cranberries in it? Well, I wouldn't steer you wrong. This recipe is really good, and it's going to be your next dinner. Our first thing is we're going to add some oil, cooking it in the crock pot, but there's directions in the recipe that tells you how to cook it in the oven in case you don't have a crock pot. I'm going to salt and pepper both sides of the chicken, just making half a recipe tonight. All right, for our sauce on top of our chicken, we have honey, balsamic vinegar, and dried thyme. Mix it up. And then we're going to pour it on top of our chicken. Now we're going to put these beautiful cranberries in. Put the lid on, and then we're going to cook it. You ready to try honey cranberry baked chicken?
Say that again 3 times fast.
Honey cranberry baked chicken.
Let's start over.
You ready to try honey cranberry baked chicken?
I am.
Good. All right, let's do it.
We tasted this last night. It was so good. We made it tonight for you guys. Delish.
I almost forgot the cheese.
A little feta cheese there.
A little feta cheese, yep.
You would think the cranberries are going to be sharp in flavor, but when they're cooked, they're sweet.
Wow. Very good.
And the chicken is so moist from the crock pot. Very good, Bridgetta.
So the instructions are in for both. In the crock pot or in the oven. So whichever you want to do, I highly recommend. And I just cooked some rice, and
You
then
highly
we have
recommend
some.
what? The crock pot.
Well, Mark says crock pot. I don't know. The oven's probably fine too.
But we did it both nights in the crock pot.
We did.
It's really, really nice.
It is. Yep. No,
got
I highly recommend making it.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Sorry.
Eating it is even better.
Delicious.
And it looks so beautiful. Good presentation.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Of course, the recipe is always in the description box, and 2 new videos every week. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Well, I'm
The
all
sauce is
for
really good too.
Very nice.
Christmas. All the happy smiles and the wishes. And I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only want